Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in the final stretch of packing for my trip. I will be headed to the Philippines next week. I'm very excited. I got some new things that I wanted to share with you, and most of these items are from Farfetch. I do have a new promo code with Farfetch that I will display on the screen here, and I'll include it in the description below. I'll also link everything I talk about in the description below. I also did a video recently sharing my favorite Amazon travel essentials. Those are all my tried and true travel essentials, but I did recently go shopping, as you do when you go on a trip. I went to Ulta, I went to Sephora, I shopped with Farfetch, and I just have a bunch of new things that I wanted to share with you. Now, I will be in the Philippines for almost 3 weeks. We'll be island hopping, we'll be going to a resort, we'll be in the water. I plan on snorkeling. I also might go scuba diving. I am a certified scuba diver, although I do need a refresher course because it's been a while since I went scuba diving. But I have been loving this Versace bathing suit. I love this bathing suit. It is so comfortable. These straps are so nice and wide and flexible and comfy. The back is nice and open, and it's a one piece. I love this bathing suit so much that I had to get it in another color. So I opted for this bright blue. I don't know what it's called, like a cobalt blue. This comes in a ton of other colors. It comes in a really nice bright pink. This is such a nice bathing suit. It just sucks you in. It supports you. I find it to be very supportive. I just really like it. It has decent coverage in the back. I got this in a size 2, which is about a US medium. If you want to throw on jeans over this, you can wear this as a bodysuit. It is a really cute tank top, which is why I also got it in the black initially. And I have worn this as a bodysuit with black pants. I wear, I'll throw shorts on over it or cover up a skirt, and it just is so nice, so flattering. So I had to get it in another color. This is called the Versace Greca pattern scoop back swimsuit because it is a very low back. And of course, with a bathing suit, you also need a cover up because we will be at a resort. I plan on walking around. So I got this Versace cover up skirt, and I love that this is mostly black because most of the clothes that I'm bringing will be black or can be easily matched with black. I'll have black accessories, but this has a really nice little pop of color with the just distinct Versace, the Medusa head here. It's got all these different colors, so I can wear this with my black bathing suit with the little cover-up skirt. But this also looks great with blue because you can see here it also has that blue. If you have purple, there's purples in here, there's oranges. It's just such a versatile skirt. I've been playing around with this, and not only does this make a great skirt, it's like a full-length skirt, but it's very sheer. But I can also tie the waist part around the top and wear it as a full-length, like a dress, as a pareo kind of a cover-up. So you're tying it around the top or even around my neck. It's super versatile. So basically you can wear this as a skirt or as a dress. I just really like this cover-up. I'm very excited. So I can go straight from the pool, straight from the beach, and go to dinner with just this cover up over my bathing suit. I had to stick with the Versace theme and get some new Versace sandals. I plan to wear this all around. They do have a slide version of this that I did try on actually in store. So you have the same little Medusa head, but it was a wideband slide, and I already own that style in some other designers. So they did have a couple of versions of this with the same Medusa head. It also comes in a bunch of other colors. They have this one, I think, in a plain black. I know a lot of people like the slide version. I do have a couple other beach sandals that are slides, but sometimes you just need to let your feet breathe, and sometimes it feels like it's too constricting when it's the slides. So I just like to air out my toes and wear these thong sandals. Now I did half a size up. I usually wear a size 36, and this one I got in a size 36.5, but I would probably recommend going a full size up. I think if I had time or, whatever, I can get away with a 36.5, but I think the 37 would have fit me better, only because these are really narrow, and I don't particularly have wide feet, but I don't have narrow feet, and I feel like there is some toe spillage on the sides. And I mean, I even could have used a little more room on the back. So the 36.5 fits me kind of barely. I probably should have gone a full size up, but if you are planning on getting this, definitely go with a full size up because these are pretty narrow. Very comfy. It's got the little Versace design print on the sole. I like the gold Medusa head. I do plan on wearing gold jewelry during this trip, so I think it would look really nice. If you have a midi dress, you can dress this up with a dress, or I plan on pretty much wearing it mostly casual at the pool and at the beach. So I have a whole Versace getup with my bathing suit and cover up, and now these sandals. In my travel essentials video, I talk about how important it is to have a comfortable airport outfit including slip-on shoes. I went shopping in Buckhead recently with my mom and I saw this and I was like, oh my God, I really like these shoes. So when I was in store, I tried them on and I was like, okay, these are gonna be my new airport shoes. And it's from Jimmy Choo. These are the Verona sneakers. Are these the coolest sneakers? Oh my God, they're so cute. I tried these on in store. This comes in a couple other colors. It comes in all black. So even this white part is black also. And then the crystals are black, like kind of a matte crystal, if that makes sense, black. But I like this. I like the little sparkly crystal band here. It says Jimmy Choo on the back. And they're so comfy. They're so light. You know, the sock sneaker styles. I love this style sneaker. It's so easy to slip on and off when you're going through the airport, TSA, you know, security, and you're taking your sneakers off. It's just so much easier when there's no laces getting in the way. And they're very comfy, very stretchy. I did also half size up in this. So I got this in 36.5. I think I tried this 37 in store and, you know, it was a little too long for me. I usually wear 36. These sneakers are so cute. These are the little dust bag it comes in, but I do plan on upgrading from my Nike slip-on sneakers at the airport to wearing this as part of my airport outfit. These are just great casual sneakers to have all the time. I love these. I can't wait to wear these. So the Verona sneakers, again, I love the black and white, but if you like all black, they have it in all black. They also have it in a beige, which is really cute if you wear mostly neutrals and lighter color neutrals. Like if you wear all white with the beige version of this, that's such a cool outfit. So Jimmy Choo Verona sneakers. And then I had to get a new eyeshadow palette. I've really been liking Valentino Beauty. I like their foundation, their primer, their perfumes, of course. But I got the Valentino Color Flip Multi-Use Eye Palette. This is the box it comes in, and this is the palette. It is so cute. It's got the little Valentino logo. This part pops open, so you have a big mirror. You have the little brushes down here, and these are just some really pretty neutral colors with a lighter shade. And then this part flips open, so you have more of a dramatic eyeshadow colors to play with. I just think this is really good, really versatile. I will be attending a wedding when I'm in the Philippines, a family wedding, so I like that I have these really versatile colors that I can play with for everyday and kind of evening looks. Okay, so that is the Valentino multi-look eyeshadow palette. Now, I haven't finalized my entire packing list, like my clothes and stuff yet. And like I said, I will be attending a wedding in the Philippines and I don't even know what dress to wear. I have to finalize my packing list, but I will most likely bring these Jimmy Choo Bing heels to wear with whichever dress. I actually might go shopping for a dress when I'm over there, maybe a traditional Filipino style dress. But I just love these. They're very neutral, patent leather, very dressy, and it's got that same crystal right there, just like my Verona Jimmy Choo sneakers. That's so cute. So you have the sneakers and then the dressier heel version. So yeah, I don't know what dress I'll be wearing. I have a couple options that I can bring with me. Maybe I'll go shopping there. Actually, maybe I will post in my Instagram stories and let you guys choose. So make sure you follow me on Instagram because I need help. I don't know what to wear. But I probably will bring these shoes to wear to the wedding. And then we have like a couple parties also. And then for my purse, I will probably bring this. This is from Benedetta Bruzecchi's. I love all her crystal bags. This is the smallest one that I have from her. And again, a very neutral color. I think this was Dune from last year. She comes out with new colors every year, but I just love this. Love this little bag. It's so dressy, slouchy, very cute. Love the crystal buckle. I love the details. This is so eye-catching and I just love this. Very cute little evening bag, but still large enough to hold my iPhone. So those are all the things that I got from Farfetch. Again, I will post my new Farfetch promo code on the screen and I will link everything below. And then I did get one little travel accessory from LV. I just feel like when I go on a trip, you know, travel is such an important part of LV heritage. I just have to see what else is out there. So this isn't super new. I've been eyeing this for a while and I just figured, let me just try out one. And then if I like it, maybe I'll check out the other sizes. Wait, actually, before I show you this, so I got this, but my SA also sent me the Lunar New Year red envelopes and I didn't get a chance to do a video, like a separate video, but this is it from LV. Very cute. It is the Year of the Rabbit and this is how it opens up. Yeah, it's still technically, as I'm filming this, it's still January, so Lunar New Year envelopes are still being passed around. That's the little rabbit figure. So kind of like a marbling effect. Anyway, Lunar New Year envelopes from LV. Very cute. I also posted my Tiffany Fendi unboxing recently. I got a baguette from their collection and my Fendi SA sent me the Lunar New Year envelopes. They hadn't come in yet when I posted the video, but these are the Fendi red envelopes. These are really nice. I really like this design. It's like a fabric, like a what is that material? Gross grain ribbon. All right, so going back to LV. So I got from LV for my trip and future trips, one of their packing cubes. This is the medium size packing cube. I love packing cubes. Some people don't like packing cubes. They think it takes up more space. I personally, I have so many different styles of packing cubes. I use them for my kids. It just makes traveling and packing so much easier. I just think packing cubes are so important. So I figured I would upgrade and get the LV version. So this is the medium size. I still have this. I actually might keep this here just to support the shape structure. That's the code. I don't remember how much this was. I think it's like $5 or $6 something. And then there's a larger size that fits like the entire width of the LV Pegasus carry-on. And then there's a smaller size that is maybe like this size. So we'll see. I know some people have like all three and they stack them up. So we'll see if I get some use out of this. It has some leather tabs right here. Very soft. So if it didn't have this cardboard, it would definitely collapse. So if you want it to be able to kind of collapse when it's in your luggage, take this out. I think I will probably keep it here in the meantime. So I think this will be great to keep my like hard case stuff, like my sunglasses, my eyeglasses, stuff that I don't want to get crushed while they're in my bag. So LV packing cube. And then just a couple other things. So again, I am a scuba diver and I plan on snorkeling when I'm there. I got this new mesh bag to store my fins. I plan on bringing my own fins, and I splurged on a new snorkel and a new mask. So I got a new mask for snorkeling and scuba diving. I'm very excited because this is a prescription mask. I saw a video on TikTok that terrified me. It was of a woman who wore contacts while she was in the shower, and she got a parasite in her eye, and she is now blind out of that eye. And apparently eye doctors always recommend that you take your contacts out when swimming at the beach or the pool, or even in the shower. Like, don't shower with your contacts, because there's this parasite that could be found in tap water that, you know, burrows itself in your eye, and if you have contacts, it's harder to flush it out. And immediately I was like, oh my God, I've always swam at the beach with my contacts. I've worn glasses since the 3rd grade and contacts since like middle school. And I was like, okay, yeah, you don't have to tell me twice. I'm not getting a parasite in my eyes. So I ran to my dive shop here in town and I immediately got a prescription snorkel mask. So very excited about this. And it was a lot cheaper than I thought. I mean, I pay a lot for my glasses and my contacts. This one was about like 100 with the lenses. It was maybe like 140. So well worth it to avoid getting parasites in your eye. And then if you snorkel or scuba dive, you would appreciate this. I got this new Scuba Pro snorkel. This has this cap here to prevent water from going in the tube. Normally when you're snorkeling and then you kind of dive down, water will go in and you have to kind of spit it out the side here. Apparently it doesn't do that. Like, it doesn't allow that to happen. So my new snorkel and my new mask. Then I did some last minute travel shopping at Target and Ulta. And at Target, I got my son his own comfort travel set. I do have my own travel blanket that I bring with me and like a neck pillow. This got its own carry case with a strap to, you know, go around your luggage. It's got earplugs, a face mask, an inflatable pillow, and then the full-size blanket. So this will go straight into my son's carry-on. And then I got a new carry-on bag. I just was debating which carry-on and like personal item bag that I plan on bringing. We do have a very, very long journey. My flight changed, so we just have a longer layover. I will be traveling for over 27 hours from door to door, and it's going to be exhausting. I don't want to lose any of my stuff, so I got a new backpack from Target. It's from their Open Story line. This is great because it has a full-size suitcase. So you can open it up. You have like, you can keep packing cubes in here. It's got a padded laptop compartment and then all these other pockets in the front. I'm so excited about this. Super padded straps. I shared this with you guys in my Instagram stories, and a lot of you voted for me to bring this because I was debating between this and a couple other styles. I think I'll end up bringing this, but yeah, Open Story. Part of my carry-on dilemma is once I'm over there in the Philippines and I'm taking these smaller planes to get to the islands, you can't bring like your carry-on luggage, like your roller carry-on, because it doesn't fit. So I wanted to bring any like valuables I have. I want to be able to carry in my bag, like my personal item bag. So my new Open Story backpack. And then from Ulta, I got a couple more organizers. I love their tartan and twine collection. They have this clear, very durable plastic. This is great because it's nice and slim and fits in your carry-on bag. I already own it. This is it for my last trip, but I wanted to have one for my son for his bag. And then I got this other smaller Toiletries bag, which is nice because it comes with these bottles and even like the little pots if you wanted to bring this, like if you're carry-on only. We will be checking a luggage, so we'll see. I actually might not end up using this for this trip, but I will use it for future trips. But these are great bags from Ulta. tartan and twine. And then some hair care and skincare essentials. I got the Travel Briogeo hair care set. This is the Strengthen and Repair, Don't Despair repair set, because again, I will be in the water, I'll be in the sun, I'll be in the salt water, I'll be in the pool. So this one is great because it's a travel size shampoo, conditioner, and then hair oil and a deep conditioning mask. And then because the sun is unforgiving, I got from Supergoop this Daily Essentials SPF starter kit. I do plan on bringing like full sizes, and also, you know, I know they'll have it there, but I love Supergoop. So this has the resetting refreshing mist for like refreshing your SPF throughout the day, the Supergoop Play SPF 50, and then the Unseen sunscreen. So very important to wear SPF when you're in the sun, which I will be in the sun all day long. So those are just some new things that I got for my trip. I am so excited. I cannot wait. I will be vlogging and doing also like a pack with me. And I also plan on doing a video sharing like my favorite bags, my favorite travel bags, luggage, carry-on, organizers, stuff like that. I just love travel. I think I will also create a travel playlist. So if you're interested in traveling, if you have a trip coming up, if you're planning a trip, check it out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and also here on YouTube, because whenever there is a sale or like a deal or like a great gift with purchase, I will post to my Instagram stories and my YouTube community page. But I hope you enjoyed this video sharing all my exciting new travel items. Everything I talked about will be linked in the description below, including my new Farfetch code. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.